This is the Outdoor Revolution Dura-Lite 120 folding camping table. A super lightweight table weighing just over 5 kilograms. The top itself is constructed from a honeycomb filling with a nice wood effect on top. The aluminium legs are adjustable to 3 settings. You can have it as low coffee table height, a medium height and a standard dining table height. And packed away by folding in half into a nice, neat carry bag. It's so lightweight, in fact, it actually comes with pegs to secure the feet to the ground in case you're using it outside and the wind gets up.